That shit wild, that shit wild. That shit really made me think a lot. Watching on the past, shit, that's not really me anymore. I'm really in the desert, all alone in the rain. And it really raining down on me. That's fucking wild how that shit happened back then in the past. I'm like, nigga, relax, click clack. I'ma be back. Got my 5 more days and I'll be in New York. Holy shit, that shit wild on 4. Holy shit, my phone is raining on 4. Yeah. I'm just really chilling in the rain. Can you even see it, bro? I'm trying to freestyle it. I'm trying to pretend this phone's not even in my hand. But I want you guys to hear me. You know what I'm saying? Because I know I'm the best fucking freestyle. If I fucking whisper and shit, that sounds fucking 100% heat. I'm going to whip. I'm going to whip and smoking the whip. And I can pretend this phone's not even here. Then you can hear me freestyle. No cat. Yeah. No cat. Yeah. It's fucking wet. There's fucking cats in the car. No cat in the car. It's so cool. Let me pause this video and hang up the phone like this. We good. I'm pretending this phone. Fuck! I'm gonna pretend this phone wasn't even here. Best freestyle ever, man. Get back. That's your wild, yeah. I'm the realest that could be in the motherfucking streets. Fuck, man. I keep moving. I'm pretending this camera's not even here, and I'm gonna try to like rap, but like I'm gonna like say it. I'm not yelling. Try to whisper that shit. See, I'm even talking to the camera. That shit kill my mood. Yeah. That shit kill my mood. Yeah. That shit kill my mood. I gotta walk around the block so I can really hit this thing. Really in the backseat. Niggas talk about GA still ain't shit. Yeah, I made it out the hood. But I'll be back in the hood. Give me about 5 more days. You gonna see me on a flight. But I hop on 3. Phone better not die. Yeah, gotta hop on 3. Cause I wanna record this fucking adventure. Nigga, I'm hopping doing world tours. Been out here 2 years. How many days? Y'all already know. How many days, y'all? How many days I've been here? I'm just trying. It really raining hard. Nigga, I bet more than Menard and I put up on the block with the yard. Yo. Fuck that nigga, yo. Put him on the mat. Nigga, swipe him off the mat. Yo, let me get the whip. Let me get the sheets. Let me get a mop. Let me mop the floor with your brains, nigga. Had that bitch splattered. Yo, splattered, smeared. Like we at a bar, yo. Like we at the Navy, you peer. Shit. I'ma smoke you out. Going downtown Navy Pier. Yeah. Pull up on the block, yeah, swing. Yeah. Ferris wheel. Ooh, what are we talking about the y'all? Fuck, that shit is fucked up. That shit was stupid, man. Alright, hold on. I'm doing this with no beat, man. Chill out. Hold on. Smoking on the pack. Smoking on this gas. 1, 2, 3 in the vehicle in the back seat. Chilling in the shit. I'm the motherfucking chef. Yeah, I cooked the what? Hold on. This shit wild. If I say some shit, it's gonna be some weird ass shit. That's why I'm pausing this shit. Fucking up. That shit just hit the mood. That shit just hit this thing. That shit had to make the shit wet. Like, why you gotta rain on me, yo? When I see you, nigga, I'ma see you, nigga. You ain't getting shit from me. Talking about the bread. Nah, I'll make you a sandwich, nigga, with the tootie. I'll make you a make that bitch go, whoa. Have you begging for your lifeline, nigga? No. Nigga, you a nop if you think I'm giving you some. If you really think about it, you ain't getting none. Shit. And you know what I'm saying? You must know what I'm saying. Cause I'm already crazy motherfucker, nigga. Will make you lose your brain. Tuli on my side. Tuli in my pants. If I take it out, nigga, you know what's gonna happen. Have your brains on the floor. Crime scene. I am playing on my life for my soul. Smoking on the pack in the middle of the rain. I'm the best freestyler. I'm the best rapper. Bro, you should just see it behind the fucking scenes. I need to yell this shit. I need someone to record me. Fuck with this shit, man. Oh, no cat, yeah. Okay, I need to walk around the block. If I walk around the block, I can freestyle better. But now it's fucking raining and I can't even smoke in the crib. Oh, I got the phone out. Oh, no, it's fucking raining. Man, how much? Bro, my phone wet. What the fuck? Can you see it? You see it. You see it. It's falling from the motherfucking sky, nigga. You see the fucking rain, nigga. I ain't fucking playing. And you can probably hear it drizzling on the fucking floor. See me on the floor. See me on the mat. They know I'm trying to rap, so they gotta put the stat. Yeah. I'm gonna put the phone down, but my phone wet. My phone's broken. My phone's finna break. This video won't even upload. Look at this shit. What I seen on man? My screen is hella wet. My screen is hella drippy. My screen is hella drippy and my shit is hella nippy. My square is fucking wet. I'm trying to smoke in the scene. It's like 2 a.m. and shit. Wait, hold on. What time is this bitch? For real. Yeah, motherfucker, 1:55. Hell yes, 1:55 a.m. 2 a.m. Fuck it. We're going to York. We're going to York. I ain't smoking Newports. Going to the airport. Going to the airport. JFK. Yeah, one car. Yeah. Tully on me, that's a fact. Yeah, Tully on me, that's a fact. Got the whole bottle and we dripping. Got the whole Tully and we know we sipping. Got the whole drink and we know we blasting. I am playing on my life. This ain't no prop. You think it's a prop? Yo, I'll pull up on the block. I'm the realest that could be. I shouldn't even smile on camera. You wouldn't think I'm playing and shit. For real, for real. For real, for real. Do you not see this mafia boss? Do you not see who you talking to? Who you talking to? I'm the realest that could be. I'm the realest that could be, man. Tootie. Fuck, my Tootie just broke. Oh, shit, man. Oh, fuck, man. My Tootie just fucked. My Tootie just broke, man. I'm gonna edit this out. Psych, I ain't editing shit out. Wow, now the rain wanna stop after I'm done rapping? Put this shit on YouTube, man. Put this bitch on YouTube. My name's G Ice. I'm the best freestyler ever. I was freestyling shit, you know what I'm saying? What are we talking about? It's cold, man. Why put my phone out? It's so cold. It's so cold. I still got hella videos to upload. Still got the Kit Kat video to upload. Still got I need. You're gonna see the exact same suit. I'm probably gonna take it off and flex in the morning. And the morning gonna be hot and it's gonna be sunny. You know what I'm saying? That's when I come to the music video. This is just a freestyle. I'm making a new song, a different one. This is just me fucking around and shit. Should I? I need to write some lyrics down. Fuck this shit. My name's G Ice. Let me go to the crib and charge my phone. Yeah. If you a single female, yeah, you need to hit me up. Trying to find a key, trying to go back in the crib. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. What I'ma do? Go back in the crib. Do not make a sound. I don't make a sound, nigga. Do shh, yeah. Going in the crib, we do not make a sound. I don't make a sound, but you a mouse and you wanna talk a lot. Or you wanna talk, or you wanna box. I'm the realest that could be, and you wanna talk a lot. If you really know me, nigga, I don't say a word. I say shh. I don't say a word. I don't say a word. I pull up on the block with that pistol whip. Yeah, Toolie in my hand, still need to fix that bitch. Yeah, I'm the realest that could be. I'm the realest that could be. Keep that bitch on hush. Keep that bitch on hush. Keep that bitch on hush. Oh, you wanna talk a lot? Remember that time? I took a scorpion into the crib with me. Yeah, that shit was wild. Motherfucking scorpion, that shit wild. Who really got a scorpion? Yo, G-Ice, you really got that scorpion? Yeah, kill that nigga. He was fucking around and shit. I heard maybe that was sticky stuff on the tail on the scorpion. Cause that nigga was. Yeah, that scorpion, that sticky stuff on his tail, that shit was probably poisonous and shit. So I had to wash my hands and I had to go kill that nigga, bro. Like I had like so many body counts and shit, like you know, like I had to kill that nigga, bro. He was poisonous. He was a toxic motherfucker, so I had to take his life. A toxic motherfucker, so I had to take his life. He was a toxic motherfucker, so I had to take his life. Nah, I ain't use a toolie this time. I used a fucking rock and I passed on his head. Yeah, I'm flexing, got a body count. Yeah, I got a body count. But who really out here killing fucking scorpions? Sub-Zero in the car, yeah, I'm really in the streets. Acapella off on B. Who really acapella off on B? Who really doing this? I'm the realest that could be. I'm the bros to it, yeah. Yo, GIs, be quiet. Single females, hit me up. If you in New York, if you in Chicago, hit me up. I'm 22. Fuck up, man. You 22. Shut up. Alright, good night. Good night, motherfucker. Sorry, I'm gonna stay up all day. What are we talking